Okay, boys and girls, so I thought that I would draw a crayon to go with the day the crayons quit. So you take your paper and pencil just like last time, and the first thing that you're going to do is hold it the tall way, and then you're going to draw one rectangle in the middle of the paper. So I'll show you that first. So you're just going to and I pretty much put it pretty much in the middle of the paper. I actually put it a little bit closer to the bottom than the top, but that doesn't really matter. So then the next thing that you're going to do is draw a line at the bottom, just across to make the bottom part of the crayon. Like that. Then you're going to draw the top part of the crayon. So the way that you're going to do that is first draw a rectangle, a really skinny one at the top, like that. Then you're going to draw a rhombus, and I'm looking at my example at the bottom there, at the top, or trapezoid, I mean, sorry. Like this, kind of like a hat, okay? So then the next thing that you're going to do are the eyes in the middle. So I did two big circles, and then I'm going to do the little circles inside, like that. Then a nose, which is like a sideways oval. Okay. Then the smiley face, which is like that. Okay. And then the next thing you're going to do are the arms and the legs. So I'm going to start with the legs first. So the legs are kind of just like two short, chubby legs at the bottom. Okay, and then you're going to draw lines across for the bottom part of the leg. Then you're going to draw some feet. So that's kind of just like a line down and a line down over here. And then a circle, like a bump, and then another line. So it looks like feet. Okay, then the next part you're going to do the arms, and they're a little bit tricky, but you're just going to draw, and it doesn't really matter how they are, but this is just the way I'm going to show you. So it's just an arm going up in the air like that, and then one going the opposite direction. So one like this. And then one like that. Okay, and then we need to do some zigzags at the top and the bottom of the crayon, like this. It's hard for me to do it up in the air. So like that, and then one at the bottom, same way. Like this. So then you can either outline with Sharpie or black marker the whole thing. And then I chose one of my favorite colors, which I'm sure you already know is pink. And that's how I colored in my crayon. And then these parts were black. This part was black. The feet were black. And now I'm going to show you my final. So I'll be right back. And here it is. So I thought what would be fun this time is I cut mine out and put it on colorful paper, but you might not have that at your house, which is fine. So you could just leave it on white paper. You could always color the background or leave it plain. So again, there's some parts that are black, and you can do it with crayon. You don't need to have a Sharpie marker, but I had Sharpie, so I did the zigzags black, the feet and the hands and the nose, and then I just outlined the rest of it, just like we always do. So again, if you decide to do the crayon person, color it your favorite color, and then have your parents take a picture and share it with me. And make sure you vote for either the day the crayons quit or the word collector. See you again soon.